I start with the name of Allah, who is the merciful and most merciful. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Asnan. My father name is Javed. I am reading in 5th class and in 11.1. Zakawadu ke yam byahum pohegam. Zakawadu ke yam byahum pohegam. Beriam maskur sida ustad patahlim pohegam. After that, I am going to give you some information about the reading of books. फहमत खलक बदरगड़ा का होशियार वे इंसाना फहमत खलक बदरगड़ा का होशियार वे इंसाना बेहमत होना भी इंसान दुनिया books meant for readings in school or college with the help of teacher. Even if the word are not new, there are problems which are not new for the student. दादबने में नहरे वही असनेना दादबने में नहरे वही असनेना कलम वगला दलीकल जरूरत दे Respected sir, reading is the greatest source of recreation in our days. People listen to radio, they watch television. It is very important for us to apply ourselves to English language. Sebabuma wasela भी तालीम नशी धरना पाते sebabuma wasela भी तालीम नशी धरना पाते कतौलू में पसे हरा भी तालीम नशी धरना पाते ये काल